This is Julie Bancroft and I invite you to call or text me anytime at 541-680-1484. I look forward to working with you. Hidden gem in the Hucrest neighborhood. Incredible park-like 0.31 acre lot. 4 large bedrooms, 3 full baths plus office plus family room. Private, beautifully landscaped fenced backyard with shade trees, fragrant roses and 430 square feet covered patio. Backyard gardening shed and terraced planters. Master with ensuite bathroom and double closets. Mother-in-law suite has exterior entrance, oversized bedroom with ensuite bathroom and office. Newer roof, vinyl windows and gas tankless water heater. RV parking.